Hello and welcome. In this video, we will show you the process and evaluation of the static performance curve test type. The control of the motor can be checked with the characteristic curve test, and the efficiency and the ID/IQ current mapping is verified. This is an active test, which means that the DOT is supplied with the configured phase current and voltage by the inbuilt controller. On the main page, we fill in some meta information for our test, like the project ID, the serial number of our test motor, some additional information and commands for our test. If this is fine, we press the Accept button, go on page 2, where we see the limit settings for our test motor, which is fine in this case. We press Accept as well. Go to page 3, which are the test cases. Going to our drop-down list, select the characteristic curve for that set, checking the parameter set, which is here, some DC voltage and DC current supply, the load time, and we see here the speed sets for our speed curves, which are predefined. If this is ready, we go on Start. The test is prepared, test bench configured, and this test can start. So now we see the live measurement data here. A pre-run is defined. The phasing is done for the motor, which is now here at low speed. And then we start our measurement at different speed curves. The load machine is accelerating up to low speed to the high speed voltage. We see here our predefined test run curves over several points. And now test is finished. We can open our measurement folder where all of our record channels are stored, and short after the test is done, we also can see the PDF report. Open it. You see on page 1 the performance curves for the motor with the individual load points which we have done, the report values on the lower section, and on page 2 we see how the measurements are done. In further videos, we will show you more of our other test procedures. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.